Biggest and most confusing question in programming is which programming language should I choose? And I'm saying this from experience. This one question wasted a lot of my time and energy. If you are a student or beginner in tech and you feel confused, this video is for you. During my college days, I kept asking one thing: Java or Python, Java or C++, web development or something else. And everyone had a different opinion, and I kept switching. I felt like I was learning, but in reality, I was just starting again and again. And even today, many students are stuck in the same loop. After wasting a lot of time, I understood something very clearly. Choosing the wrong language is not the problem. Not knowing your career direction is the real problem. Instead of asking which programming language should I choose, the right question is what or which career do I want to choose? Because once your career is clear, your language choice becomes simple. Programming languages are just tools, and tools are always chosen based on what work you want to do. So the correct order is choose your career, choose the main language for that career, and then learn other important languages as supporting skills. And this is where most students, I think, get confused. um, Once you choose your career, you should focus mainly on your core language. But as a tech student, you should also have basic knowledge of Python, SQL, web skills, Git and GitHub, and some other more important and basic tools. Why? Not to master all of them, but to understand the tech ecosystem. This approach saves a lot of time, saves a lot of money, prevents confusion, and gives you clarity. And most importantly, it allows you to give maximum time to your main language and a little time to these supporting skills. Let me explain this with a simple real life example. Imagine you want to become a doctor. Your main field is medicine. That's your career. But that does not mean you don't need basic biology, you don't need basic chemistry, and you don't need to understand report and equipments. Of course not. You focus mostly on medicine, but you still need basic knowledge of other related subjects. Programming is the same. Your career is your career is like becoming a doctor. Your main language is your specialization, and languages like Python, SQL, and web skills are like supporting subjects. You do not master everything. You understand the basics. What I did differently this time I didn't run behind trends. I first decided which career I want to build. Based on that, I choose Java as the main language. Now my focus is giving most of my time to Java, giving a little time to Python, SQL, and web basics, and building clarity instead of confusion. This approach already feels more structured and peaceful. Why this approach is important is because without clarity, you keep switching languages, you lose confidence, and you feel late and stressed. With clarity, you know why you are learning something, you save years of efforts, and you move with direction. And clarity is the most important thing than speed. So, in the next video, I'll explain clearly different tech careers, which career needs which main language, what supporting skills are required, and how beginners should choose step by step. So, make sure you subscribe and stay connected. And if this video helped you, like this video, share it with someone who's confused, comment below your doubts, and tell me which career you are aiming for, which career are you confused about. Let's discuss. I made mistakes, I lost time, but now I'm choosing clarity over confusion. This is not about learning everything, this is about learning the right thing. Let's grow together, let's become the best version of ourselves and transform our life one step at a time.